Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Case Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Case Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as case.com. In my case, it's the first one. Then tap on this sign in button, which is on the top right of your navigation bar. And now you will be facing a form asking for your username and your password. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on the show text to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. You can also check this box that says remember me so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have token and want to use it, check this box, then you will be able to provide your token here. If you don't have an account in Case Mortgage, you can create one by tapping on this text that says sign up now. You can also reset your password or username if you have forgotten it by tapping on this text that says forgot username or password. Now to log into Case Mortgage, tap on the sign in button after you're done providing your username and password, and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know it was helpful for you, and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.